QLED is here to redefine what screens can do. What we want from our screens is a fully immersive experience. Now more than ever, we want breathtaking details that take us closer to real life. Just in time, the Neo QLED lineup offers a gigantic leap in picture, design, and sound quality. Not only that, since what you watch and how you watch it has changed, the Neo QLED has evolved right alongside your habits. We are going to show you how. Here's David to guide you through just a few things you can do at home with Neo QLED.
Hi there. Our homes are transforming right before our eyes. It's become a workplace, classroom, gym, movie theater, and more. With more diverse and sophisticated features, Neo QLED is going to give you the power to achieve more than ever before. I'm here to show you how. A lot of people are working from home, like him.
Is this right?
His form could be better. He needs a little help. When you can't go to a trainer, you just bring one home. All you have to do is turn on Samsung Health Smart Trainer. The avatar is on the right. Using Samsung AI algorithm, the Smart Trainer will analyze and guide your form in real time. Now you're getting it.
Oh, thank you.
Time to check your results.
Oh, I need that.
The workout summary has your total time, estimated calories burned, form score, and more. There's no question about it. Neo QLED is going to be the best trainer you'll ever find. So stay fit. Being home doesn't mean you're alone. And the best way to social distance and stay connected? Video calls. Let me
What are you doing?
help you out. Just tap your phone to the TV and voila. With Multiview, you can keep watching TV while you talk to your friends. Oh, one more. Hey, come on. They're all waiting for you. You could use Google Duo to see 5 people on the screen and call up to 32 people in the group call. And with a USB camera, the camera will follow your movements. It will automatically zoom in and out so you're just the right size, always in focus. Only Samsung can do this. Happy birthday. Have fun. This is my favorite part. More time at home means more time for games.
Oh my God.
You're losing again? Let me just try something. Many games are designed for wide views. It can be frustrating to play in a regular ratio. So go wide, and even wider.
Wow, I can see my target better now.
Or adjust the angle and position to your eye level. As gamers know, little things make a big difference. Game Bar displays all the information you need to monitor your performance. And it's FreeSync Premium Pro for smooth, tear-free gaming. The games we used to play on the PC or gaming console will transition seamlessly to the TV screen. With Neo QLED, winning is easy.
Yeah.
Of course, it's not all fun and games. Home is where you work.
Oh, I need to revise the file right now.
Hey, that looks uncomfortable. There's a smarter way to do this.
What's that?
Use the PC on TV function. There, all the programs and devices you need. Choose Samsung DeX, and you can get a familiar PC experience on Neo QLED, while you continue texting your friends on the phone. Everything is intuitive.
Ah, I left the file in the office.
Need your office computer? No problem. Use PC on TV. Easy connection to work on your files from your office computer to your home screen.
see.
Minimal effort, maximum efficiency. Just what your home office needs. Last but not least, your TV is your entertainment hub. Quick question. How many streaming services do you subscribe to?
Many?
Well, how much do you actually watch?
Spend a lot, though.
Try Samsung TV Plus. It's all free. Samsung TV Plus comes with countless free channels, movies, and TV shows. Content is curated by genre, viewing history, even seasonal themes. You can also continue watching where you left off. Anytime. There's more. Mobile TV Plus.
Wow.
Enjoy Samsung TV Plus anytime, anywhere.
Come on, it's already on.
It's game time. Now here's something for sports fans. You ever had to watch 2 games at once? Multiview has got you covered. Choose one of our preset options. Yesterday's highlights, today's game, grudge matches, your friends' reactions. See it all on one screen. Multiview is fully customizable. Choose how to divide the screen, what to see and hear. You can even adjust the volume for each section.
Yes!
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice work. It's tough. Transform your home with Neo QLED, and you'll always be making the most of your time. Explore the possibilities. All this is possible with only Samsung Neo QLED.